Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Nizzy. Today I'll be showing you guys how to do my updated eyebrow routine. I have not an older version on the channel, which I'll link in the description box below. But I upgraded and shit. Started using new products, and I found out what worked best for me after trial and error, of course. So continue to watch this video if you want to see how I do my eyebrows. So I'm going to show you the stuff that I use to achieve my eyebrow look. The first thing is this Anastasia, however her name is pronounced, Beverly Hills Brow Definer, and it has the product on one side and a spoolie on the other side, which is always convenient. And I have concealer, which is the Fit Me one in Cafe, Dirty Cafe. And I bought this Revlon Brow Fantasy. Yeah. It has the pencil crayon on one side and the gel on the other. I'm not a fan of the pencil crayon, but I do use the gel because it just makes my brow stay in place kind of all day. But for the pencil crayon, that's enough for me. And of course, I have 3 brushes here. One to apply the concealer, and I have 2 to blend it out. Yeah, so let's get started. So I got my eyebrows done like 2 weeks ago, so they're not that fresh. Yeah, so they might give me a little bit of problems to do. But yeah, so the first thing I do is brush them out with the spoolie. Make sure that everything is nice and even, and then I just draw a line on the bottom. Following the shape of your brow. And you do that at the top as well. However, I don't like to start from like the front because I don't really want too much product in the front. So I start like maybe about 3/4 of the way. And I just fill in the sparse areas. And for the front, I just draw like really tiny strokes because I want it to have that faded look. What I also like to do is take the spoolie and bring the hair up and fill in the areas that are sparse so that it don't look uneven. Then I brush them back into place. Yeah. Then I put some concealer on the back of my hand and I just clean up the bottom and the top. Then you want to just blend that out. And you want to be really careful when you're doing like the top parts because it kind of easy to mess up or to wipe off the brow. It just works out fun. Then I just use the gel from the color Brow Fantasy shit. And I just go over it with it. So yeah, that's basically my updated brow routine. Yeah, really easy, right? I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and it was informative. I hope you guys, Got me removed. Anyways, so I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I hope it was informative to you, and just let me know in the comments section what you'd like to see.